Happy New Year! We are SuperFireworks.
I'm Reina.
I'm Wilson. I'm glad to see you guys again.
Today we're gonna show you a very popular product, Canister shell.
Let's go to see it. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is canister tube, and we already put the effect powder in it. And this is the button, and we need to put the launch powder in this cover.
In this step, the worker is wrapping the papers and fold the fuse.
Okay, now this is the naked one, and this one is covered one. Okay, we finished it.
In the next workshop, the worker is packing the canister shells. Normally, the canister shell is packed 6 in 1, and they all different effects.
Okay, let me show you how to play it. First, we should put the launch canister in the flat area and then tear the fuse stickers. Let the fuse outside and we put it in it. The last and the most important thing, let the fuse and run away.
Canister shell is very popular in American market. If you like it, please contact us.
See you next time.
You are super!